Hello, welcome to new video from technary.com. So today we have an interesting tech news for you. In-ear wireless earphones, boAt Rockerz 255 Pro Plus are launched by boAt in India. Let us have a look at the features of this device. These are wireless earphones and are having neckband design. These come with massive 40 hours of battery life. It is having Qualcomm chipset and supports fast charging and provides 10 hours of playback in just 10 minutes of charging. It has Qualcomm aptX and CVC. It is good for passive call noise cancellation. It provides superior music and call quality. It is a successor to Rockerz 255. It has 300 mAh battery capacity, which is able to provide up to 40 hours of playback or voice calling at 50 to 60% volume level. There are 10 mm drivers for the HD sound and super extra bass. It also provides AAC, SBC, aptX codec support for better music performance. It comes with IPX7 water and sweat resistance. It is good for outdoors and also for daily workouts. You can enjoy music without worrying about background noise. There is USB Type-C interface, so you can use USB Type-C for fast charging this device. It has Bluetooth version 5.0 connectivity with dual pairing. This will support pairing of two devices at a time, so you can pair it with your smartphone and laptop simultaneously. It has magnetic earbuds which attach together when you don't need them. There is also single press voice assistant feature. You can easily access Google Assistant or Siri. There are multifunction integrated controls which help to play or pause the music, volume increase or decrease with ease. These will be available in navy blue, active black and teal green color variants. Introductory price is just 1499 Indian rupees. So if you want to purchase these newly launched boAt Rockerz 255 Pro Plus, don't forget to check out the link in the description below to get the best deal and discount. So if you like this video, kindly like it and also comment on it as well. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and put the bell notifications on to get the latest updates from our side. Keep visiting our website, which is technary.com. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead.